toy fans, this time we have the Sesame Street Baby Sniffles Ernie. This is a Playskool toy from Hasbro. Baby Ernie has the sniffles. Press his nose.
Achoo! 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 I have a cold. Achoo! Excuse me. My blankie makes me feel better.
Baby Ernie needs a cuddle to make him feel better. He also comes with his blankie, which also makes him feel much better. Baby Ernie is a very soft toy, which is great for younger toy fans to play with.
Achoo! Hug, please. Achoo! Oops.
Well, thanks for joining me and Baby Ernie, and we hope to see you next time here on Toy Review TV.
Achoo! I got the sniffles.